Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Web Tech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to help you learn how to open an account on Zepbay. Keep watching the video till the end without skipping, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. In order to create an account on Zepbay, first make sure you've downloaded and installed the Zepbay application for your Android or your iOS. Now tap open the application, and soon after you do that, if you want to go through the information, go ahead and tap on done. And at the upper right, you'll be able to see a Let's Go button. Tap on Let's Go in order to create an account. From this page, tap on Register Now right here and sign up for an account. Select your country from the drop-down. The first thing to do is go ahead and type in your mobile number. Start by typing it in the text field and move on to the next field and type in your first name. Now, type in your last name on the next field and then enter your email address. Make sure to enter a valid email address that you have access to. Now, go ahead and set a 4-digit PIN, which will work as a password to your account. Once you type in the PIN, move on to the next field and confirm the 4-digit PIN by typing it in one more time. Make sure both of your PIN code matches. Now, tap on I accept Zepbay's Terms of Use and Privacy Policy and tap on I'm not a robot. Complete the task that has been asked to you and tap Verify. Once you're done, tap on the Continue button. Soon after you hit Continue, you'll be able to open a Zepbay account. That is how it is done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.